everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share with you, and let's get started. I picked up some of these turkey-shaped Pillsbury sugar cookies, 18-count eggs, and the meal plan will be in the description box as well. So half a gallon of milk, some vanilla iced coffee. I did pick up a loaf of bread, some of these yogurt tubes, and I got the cotton candy and melon berry. They had strawberry and blueberry as well. These are the ones I picked up. Also the Danimal smoothie strawberry banana little yogurt smoothie drinks. I did get another one of these Kentucky Legends, the oven roasted turkey. This was so delicious on sandwiches, and I went ahead and picked another one up. Picked up some jumbo cheddar franks, some real bacon bits, pepperonis, some little cheddar smokies. Got some of these little spice packs, and these are roasted potato seasonings, a ranch seasoning. I will be making bacon ranch chicken sandwiches in the crock pot, so I need the ranch. I am also going to be doing a chili crock pot recipe soon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. 2 of these chili packets here. Some apples, a big bag of Red Delicious apples. I did pick up a bag of Lay's sour cream and onion chips. And I also got a bunch of different cheeses. So I got some sliced cheeses for some sandwiches, for more grilled cheeses, things like that. 2 cream cheeses for the chicken bacon ranch recipe. And I picked up 2 mild cheddar shredded cheeses. We're having the chili. Other recipes call for this. And the cheddar bacon ranch sandwiches call for that. And I also picked up a mozzarella because I'm going to be making some homemade pizzas as well. Plus, like I said, all the meal planning information will be down in the description box below. For snacking, I also picked up these these cheddar cheese sticks to try out. Moving on, I picked up one of their real mayonnaise. I got 2 Heinz ketchups, some of these golden rounds. I did pick up one of these Jiffy mixes, 2 tuna cheesy pastas. I grabbed a Chef Boyardee pizza sauce. I got 2 beef broths, 2 of the Libby sausage gravy, and 2 of the chili beans, the red beans. So that's what that is. And then I got a buttermilk ranch from their brand, a yellow mustard, and I also got a honey mustard in their brand to eat with some chicken tenders I have. And I also picked up these mandarin orange cups, 100% juice, and popcorn. So this is the 12 regular original size bags and extra butter. And last but not least, I have freezer items. Got one of these big bags of Crinkle Cut Fries. And in regards to it now being November, picked up a few things for Thanksgiving. So I got the cornbread dressing they had in their freezer section. We've had this before, and I personally think it's really good and tasty. It's definitely worth a try, and $5 gets you 2 pounds of dressing. And they also had only one of these left, but I did pick up the turkey breast roast, the boneless breast meat from Butterball for Thanksgiving. I picked up 2 pounds of chicken breast. We wanted to try this minute steak, so we picked up one of those. And 3 pounds of ground beef. And that is what I picked up at Save-A-Lot today. I hope you guys enjoy the haul. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more grocery hauls as well as recipes